Good morning, guys. My name is Princess. This channel is Yoruba American comedy. It's all about canceling, advert, and broadcasting news. Today, I want to talk about President of America and the U.S. men national game. Why President is talking to them, and they are ready to go on the field now to play. President said he is proud of them because they are the best all over the world, and they are ready to play. This guy, they always play every day. They do practice every day. That is why they are winning. So please listen to the president and the team now. Let's go, President.
Here we go, guys. Showtime, guys. You ready? It says POTUS. That's what it's coming from.
Are you of the U.S. men's national soccer team?
Coach, put me in. I'm ready to play. You guys, I know you're the underdog, but tell you what, man, you got some of the best players in the world on your team, and you're representing this country, and I know you're going to play your hearts out. So let's go shock them all. Keep trusting in one another. Play as hard as you can. And, for you and your families, your teammates, and the whole country's rooting for you.
That's a very nice message, Mr. President. The whole team is here right now. We really appreciate your support, and we're ready to go. Guys, you want to say hi? You get any of that?
I got some of it. I got some of it.
A lot of thank yous and a lot of hellos.
I wish I were there to see you. I really do. Go get them, guys. Just play your hearts out.
We got this.
I know you will. I know you will.
All right, that was nice.
Yeah, guys.
Here we go, guys. Show.
Guys, those are the U.S. men national soccer team. They are ready to go for soccer game now, and the president is, encouraging them, making them happy that he's proud of them. They always winning, and he assured them that this one too they're gonna get it. This is very, very awesome. I love that. I'm proud of them too because they always winning. The reason why they always winning is because they do practice every day. Practice every day. When you master what you are doing every day, the mistake is not going to be much. Please, I love these people. I'm going to join them now on the field. I want to play too. Guys, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit notification button, and drop your comment. I want to see your comment. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye. Hope you win, guys. Bye.